All right, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to bridge into HyperLiquid. We're going to be doing this through an app called PvP Trades. The reason is because there's apparently an airdrop happening for it in the future. So if you use PvP Trades, you can accumulate points and potentially qualify for an airdrop of free tokens. So I know I did a video on this already, but this is a much easier way to bridge into HyperLiquid. So what we're going to do is open Telegram and actually use this bot called PvP Trades. So you don't have to use it yourself, but this is a way to get onboarded to HyperLiquid pretty easily. So the first thing you're going to do is just prompt with the start, and it'll give you a deposit address for either USDC on Arbitrum or USDC on Solana. For a lot of you guys, you're on Solana, so we're going to grab some USDC, and I'm going to do a swap for that real quick. So I'm going to swap some Solana into USDC, do like, 60 bucks. Okay. So once that is done, then I can go over to the Solana address. I can copy it and I can send. So I'm going to send, paste, and boom. So what this will do is it will send the USDC to the wallet that PvP created for me, and it will also bridge it from Solana to HyperLiquid for me automatically. The next step you need to do is install a EVM wallet. So you can either use MetaMask or Subwallet. I hate MetaMask, so I use Subwallet. Go ahead and set one up, install the extension. And then the reason we're doing this is because PvP has created a wallet for us, but we need to manually control that wallet in case Telegram is down, in case their PvP trade gets hacked or any server maintenance happens. We need to be in control of our money. Okay, so we need to export the private key. And the way we do that is go to settings, and then you're going to see a button that says export private key. Okay. And then what's that going to do is it's going to give you a private key that looks like a bunch of random letters and numbers. You need to keep that safe. That is like your password to your wallet. Okay. So you're going to take that private key string, and then you're going to download the wallet, and then you're going to go to import account, and we're going to import the private key, and you just copy and paste it where it says private key. Okay. And you give it a name. And then what that will do is it will boot up and connect that wallet PvP made for you. You will be able to control it through this sub-wallet interface. I'll explain why. It's important. Okay. So we sent the $60, and as you can see, it detected the Solana USDC, and now it's bridging it to Arbitrum for us on our behalf. Okay, so we don't have to do anything. We can just wait. Okay, so now the next step is we're going to go to HyperLiquid here, the actual website itself. If you are in a country that restricts this app, you need to use a VPN. I would recommend downloading Brave browser because there's a VPN button right there. So you can go ahead and use Brave, go to connect your wallet and connect Subwallet. And because we imported the private keys, we can connect our wallet. And if we go to portfolio here, you can see this is my portfolio and deposits. You can see the previous deposits that were made here. So basically, everything that we do on PvP Trade will be reflected on this HyperLiquid website. And if you're not using PvP Trade, that's fine. Basically, you can now use HyperLiquid because PvP Trade made the wallet for you, and it bridged Solana USDC into HyperLiquid for you. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If that doesn't make sense, I will go over it again. Right here, I wrote out the instructions, right? So you go to PvP, you give it the start command, and then it'll give you these addresses. Make sure you go with Solana if you have USDC on Solana or the Arbitrum one, and then export the private key, and then it will give you a private key, and then you're going to download the Subwallet app and go to import account, import private key, paste it in, give it a name, and then you could stop right there. So from there, you can just open up HyperLiquid and connect your Subwallet, and you're good. If you want to use PvP, you can continue and you can do some trading on PvP. I would recommend it because you can farm points and it's a really fun tool. If you want to learn how to use PvP, I made another video on this, or you can read my Twitter thread. It's pretty easy. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you bridge into HyperLiquid. And if we check the balance now, the money should have bridged in. Let's check here. Yeah, so it takes a few minutes for the funds to bridge. So let's give it a few minutes. All right, so yeah, you can see now it says the deposit came through, $66. And if we go into the HyperLiquid, boom, deposits and withdrawals, there it is. Okay, so that's pretty much how you bridge. Thanks for watching. All the referral links will be in the description. And if you want to join my group chat with HyperLiquid PvP traders, it'll be in the description as well.